Hi, this is Dick on Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Mazda 3, stock number 6433. This ran from the 7th 2006 to the 4th 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,